Hey guys, Chukobelago here. So the market is giving bullish signs. We saw Bitcoin reach a new all-time high of $124, $124,000. Okay, Ethereum is inching close to surpass its previous all-time high of almost 4,800 plus. Call it approximately 4,009. Okay, BNB setting new record, $866. Okay, putting a gap between it and Solana. All right, now Alojo coin is not left behind. Okay, Alojo coin is at 0.00036, so it's gradually inching up. But that's not the purpose of me doing this video. The purpose of me doing this video is to talk about alpha. Okay, now this is mostly because a friend of mine who's also a customer of mine lost a good amount of money to scammers. Okay, basically they created a fake coin that is about, so a fake version of a coin that is about to list. Okay, but because he wanted to take position on time, he went ahead and bought the fake coin. Meanwhile, the real coin got listed at the time they said they are going to get listed. So, and where he got the update about the coin is from Binance Alpha. Coin Marketcap also has its own alpha, basically signals on new launch pools, new coins that will be listing, and some other things. Okay, and the main reason he fell for the scam, for the fake coin, was because of the audit. Go Plus is an online audit platform that audits crypto and gives update on crypto by looking at the contract address. Somehow, Go Plus flagged it with flying colors, and that is why he fell for it. But this is how to avoid falling for the manipulation of audit platforms. Okay, because they were manipulated into giving it all those lessons. So for you not to fall for this what the honeypot scams, okay, it's important you have the right information, because if he had the right information, but if he stuck and didn't get greedy, okay, and stuck to knowing that this is the time this coin is going to list and there is no other place it's going to list apart from these other exchanges, he wouldn't have made that mistake. But it has already happened. But this is how to avoid it. So you download Coin Marketcap app. It's a very interesting app. Okay, you go to Alpha. Okay, all right, so in the alpha you see signals, you can see meme explorer, you can see launch, you can see token unlocks. So basically it gives you updates, live updates on things that are happening. Okay, so you can see these are signals, okay, giving you a alert on some tokens. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. One is, these are signals. This is meme explorer. Okay, this gives you updates on new coins that are coming on board, the ones that are graduating, meaning they are reaching the minimum amount to get listed on exchange. Okay, and graduated means the ones that have moved from pump fund direct into what's it called, into exchange. Okay, all right, so you have pump fund, you have forming, you have bonk, you have launch lab. Now when it comes to launch, okay, you have launch pool. Now exchanges launch pool are announced on exchanges. So basically it tells you the start date, the farming duration, and the reward. So basically, if anybody participates in the launch pool by putting X amount of money, they will participate in this reward, and the duration is 7 days. So you can see the durations of this. You can see previous ones that are already completed. Now this is new listing. Okay, now it's also important to point out is that it shows you the exchanges where these launch pool events are happening. So basically this is for gates. Now this is new listings. You can see the exchanges where these coins are listing and their date. So TCOM is listing on Gate on the 15th by 2 o'clock Nigerian time. The same thing with Lion, Loaded Lions. Something with sale frame is listing today. Okay, 15th is tomorrow. Sorry about that. So today you have sell frame listing on Binks by 1 p.m. today. You can see AI bot on Gates 1. So you can see the exchange. Okay, so you can also see the ones that are already listed. OVL. The scammer went and created a fake OVL after pulling a fake what's it called again? Word 3. I get what I'm saying. So if you know the listing date, you know the exchanges where it's going to be listed, you will never fall for any scam. Because the scam he fell for was done on PancakeSwap. And there was no mention of listing on PancakeSwap here on this alpha alert. So if you are one of those people that chase new coins, if you're those of you guys that chase new coins, you believe in buying early into new coins before they start pumping, make sure you go and get Coin Marketcap so you know the exchanges these coins are going to list and the date and the time is going to list based on your location. Okay? Alright guys, I hope this is helpful. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have any important information to add to this, let me hear it in the comment section. Till I see you guys next time. Take care and bye for now.